Hey guys, so today's the day. That mod I was telling you about has officially come in, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're about to do. So stay tuned. First thing you're gonna want to do is remove the license plate. Next thing you're gonna want to do is start removing these fasteners. You should have everything you need for that underneath your pillion seat. As you can see, it comes with multiple tools on the back of it. There's an Allen wrench, comes with a Phillips, and a flat is on this side. Here's a smaller Phillips. There's the Allen. This is the Allen you need, right there. Your seat, this is a 4mm Allen wrench. So taking those off. Don't forget about these plastic rivets, these black rivets that go on the bottom. All you gotta do is press that in. It'll pop right out, and then just pull it out. Don't forget to do these. Then this whole thing should start pulling right off. Next, we're gonna have to remove this here. All you have to do is unscrew this one and unscrew the other one on the other side. And on the other side, you're gonna have these wires. What you're gonna do is take those wires loose. Like that. You have these wires here hooked. So that right there. All you gotta do is unclip them. No big deal, they come right out. Can't do it with one hand, but it's easy enough. Next, you're gonna wanna get rid of these 10mm hex head screws. One here, and one back here, in order to take this out. I think it'll be quite all right if you let this hang off to the side. All right, next thing you're gonna wanna do is remove all the cables going to your rear lights. All these, remove those. And then remove these with your Allen wrench. I believe it's 5mm. So I stand corrected, the 5mm does not come with your pillion seat, so you need to make sure you have that before you get started with this, which I'll make sure I include. Now those bolts are removed. Make sure you take those out, these two black Phillips. So as you can see, you have the main base, you have the actual license plate holder, which connects to the main base, and you have all your screws and bolts and some tie wraps just in case you need it. It comes with the New Rate Cycles Fender Eliminator kit. So let's start installing. So come to find out, it looks like they might have sent me the wrong Eliminator kit, but I think it's close enough to where I can make it work. But let me show you what I did. I took the base, put some of those nuts with the lock washers on them in between that little sliding piece. Hook the license plate up to that. I actually had to spread this part out a little bit because it was too close, but I'll show you the issue I'm having, and I'm gonna make it work because I'm a tradesman and it's quite all right. All right, I don't know if you can see it. Doesn't match, but I think I can make it work, so it's quite all right. So I hooked the base up like I was showing you with this little screw and one of the nuts that come with it. There's only two that come with it, so I'm pretty sure this is what it's meant for. So it's working right now. Let's see how it looks once I hook it all up. So I was able to install it. I just put the long screws in the back side and I was able to catch, as you can see, the wire. Make sure to, if you do this, make sure the wires are not being pinched. All right, see that? So it's coming out looking all right. All right, so once you get it all mounted back up, you want to make sure you hook up your cables again, and you want to start it, not actually start it, but just turn the power on to make sure that the lights are working properly. You don't want your right turn signal to be controlling the left turn signal here. So you just turn the power on, check and see if it's left and right. The license plate light should come on, and it should shine on the license plate. There's your start. Left, right. Hazards. Now that it looks all good, you want to put everything back the way you took it out. Make sure you don't forget anything, and should be good to go. There you have it. There's the finished product. All right, guys, there you have it. Tell me what you think. Make sure you comment down below. If you haven't hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you understand that we have a lot more stuff coming. It's going to be some good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss it. And I'll see you next time, all right? Peace.